Well, I, without a doubt, have been fully supported by the faculty and staff here. I really feel like they know me, they know my interests, and they know my goals, and everyone's really aligned to help me reach those goals. I think the strength of the program here is really taking an individual approach to each person who's in the fellowship and giving them the resources they need to reach their goals and to succeed. You know, we're a diverse group of people in my fellow class. Each one of us has slightly different interests and slightly different places we'd like to end up after fellowship. And I know that we all have very unique things that the program offers us to get us to that place. When I came to Johns Hopkins, I was hoping to be in an environment that would help me train to be a great clinical oncologist, but also reach my goal of being a physician scientist and lab researcher as well. I think specifically what I was looking for was a program that was really strong in both of those aspects and didn't sacrifice one for the other. Our first year is rigorous, and it helps us really be ready at the end of it to step in the role of an attending on a busy inpatient service, consult service, or clinic. But all the same, at the same time, we're getting advice, mentorship, and getting ourselves set up to take advantage of all the research opportunities that are here. And I was able to have plenty of time and opportunity to pursue the different lab opportunities, make sure I knew what was out there, and pick the right place for me to spend the rest of my years of fellowship working towards the research side of my training. I think the most surprising part of my experience was something that happened in my personal life and the program's response to it. I knew that we had wonderful people here, but I couldn't imagine how supportive they were. The birth of my son came unexpectedly early, and they moved mountains to make sure I could be with my family while still not missing important clinical and research training time. And I just had never felt more supported in a training environment. I really felt they were here to help me. I want to be an oncologist because I had an oncologist help my family through a really tough and scary time when my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer. And I just felt such a great debt and gratitude that someone could do that for other people and get them through a really terrifying situation. You know, throughout my training, I was working towards that goal and just fell in love with every step of it, the science of cancer care, the patient interactions, and I'm just grateful that I have the chance to hopefully pay back what I was given. I think it's a big strength of our program, how diverse our training and our fellowship class really are. I'm with people that are all motivated to be leaders in cancer research, cancer care, but we all bring a different way of doing that. We come from all over the country, and we have many different kind of hopes and career goals. I just can't tell you how much that's helped me think of different ways of doing things, of just really enriching my training. So I think when I first decided to come here for fellowship, there were a lot of things I was hoping the program would provide, and throughout my first year there were all those things and more that I experienced that made me feel really good about my choice to be here at Johns Hopkins. I think the thing that stands out most is the flexibility, and everything is tailored to not only make me a great physician and clinical oncologist, but make sure I'm thinking about how I want to pursue my career interests and set me up to transition from being a fellow to being a faculty member somewhere one day. I chose to come here to Johns Hopkins Kimmel Cancer Center for my fellowship because I was confident that I could transition from a trainee to an independent physician and scientist with the immense support that the program provides.